Cascade Funship comes with an integrated water slide accessible from the upper deck. Be the envy of your waterway with a craft that kids will love. Climb to the upper deck, access by a ladder from the rear deck, and discover the water slide with water pump, as well as lounging area that can be equipped with your choice of optional furnishing. Enjoy the shade provided by the upper deck on hot summer days as you cruise on the twin 27-inch pontoons or an available triple pontoon performance package upgrade. The Funship features ample seating for all your group with 2 corner benches in the bow and a quarter bench with table in the stern. Cascade Funship is your own personal double-deck water park for the entire family. Cascade highlight features include a fiberglass Ensign II helm stand with graywood dash, a gold stereo system featuring a high-power Fusion stereo with 4 speakers, a GPS speedometer, a premium interior with composite wall cladding, and 4000 series plush Matrix 50 furnishings.